Hi friends, welcome back to Python Programming with Akash. We are continuing with Python fundamentals and had seen string literals in the last video. We will be discussing the size of a string in this video, how is it determined, and how can we get its value in Python. Now let's move further. Size of strings. Python determines the size of a string as the count of characters in a string. For example, if we consider the string ABC, it has 3 characters. So therefore, the size of the string would be 3. And similarly, for hello, it would be 5. But if my string literal has an escape sequence contained in it, then make sure to count the escape sequence as one character. So we'll have some examples here. So however, we see that there are 2 characters in this first example, but this is an escape sequence. So a backslash, which represents the start of an escape sequence, followed by one character, this total would be taken as a size of 1. So the next example is ABC. Here we do not have any escape sequence, therefore the size remains the number of characters, that is 3. The next one is slash AB. So as we have slash A as an escape sequence, which would be taken as one character, followed by B, which is another character, which makes the size as 2. Then the next one is schema, an escape sequence of single quote S space pen. So here the size would be 11 because backslash followed by a single quote would be taken as one character. The next one is AMEs. So here the size would be 5 because there are 5 characters that we have used inside the double quotes here as the string. So let's check in Python now. We can use the len function to determine the size of the string. So this is how we use it, len, and then in brackets we mention the string name that we have given. So str1. So this would result in 1, which is as per what we had seen earlier. Okay, so it gave us the length of the string as 3. This is also correct. This should give us a value of 2. It's working perfectly. I have assigned the string to a variable str2. So we are getting the correct length as 11. Now we'll check for AMEs. So it should give us a value of 5 and we are getting the correct value. So we have used the len function to determine the size of the string here. So for multi-line strings created with triple quotes, while we are calculating the size, the end of line character at the end of the line is also counted in the size. So here we have two strings str1 and str2. In the first one, I have written ABC in 3 different lines, and after each character I have entered an enter key to make the values into different lines. So if we calculate the length of the first string, that is str1, the value should come out to be 5. This is because the end of the line character is also counted in the size. So here we have the explanation too. For str2, we have a backslash put at the end of the line for each of the words in the line. But backslashes at the end of the intermediate lines are not counted in the size of the multi-line strings. So HE would count to be 2 characters, double L another 2 characters, and O a single character, which would result into a total of 5 characters. So both these strings str1 and str2 will have a length of 5. So let's go into Python and see the length for ourselves. I'm putting an enter after A, B, enter, C, then the closing triple single quote. Now I'll see the length of str1. It should come out to be 5. So here it is. Now the next one would be str2, in which we had assigned HE followed by a backslash, enter, double L followed by a backslash, O, and then triple closing quotes. So let's check the length of str2 now. It should also come out to be 5. So here we have the result matching to what we have seen earlier. We have one more thing. For multi-line strings created with single, double quotation marks and backslash character at the end of the line, when we are calculating the size, the backslashes are not counted in the size of the string. Also, we cannot put end of lines using the return key in single, double quoted multi-line strings. So we'll see an example here. Here we have a string 3, str3, in which we have put ABC into 3 different lines by using the backslash, and this we have put in single quotes. So because we have used backslashes and in single quotes, so therefore the backslashes will not be counted and the size of the string would remain 3. We'll check it in Python. So the length we are getting as 3. So to check the size of the string, we have used the len command in the Python prompt in the console window. I hope that you were able to understand how the size of a string is determined along with the function len that we use to get the size. If you like the content, do give a like to the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.